Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a Destash video. This will be PayPal only, friends and family, US only, and must be at least 18 years old. Please pay within 1 hour of receipt of email confirmation, and you're going to email me at fphandmade@gmail.com if you're interested. That's fphandmade@gmail.com. So what do I have today? Today I have a wax seal destash. I'm really not using these wax seals. I'm not enjoying them, so I thought I would try to pass them along to someone else who may enjoy them. So let me share with you first the seals that I have. I have this little decorative piece. And this was one from Spellbinders, like a medallion. Merry Christmas. And a bumblebee. Super cute. And this one that has thank you. Or for you, sorry. For you. And then this cute little baby rainbow. I have the burner from Spellbinders and the spoon. I have the sealed pad. Oh, I have one more seal. This is the wax seal of the month for April 2025, and it's the square one. It's the petal postage. Super cute. It's postage edge. I have a deco color pen. It's never been opened. This is the gold. Then I have these. Let's see. I have the leftovers from Spellbinders. There's the new one that came in April's kit. I have the little holder with wax seals filled up. Not wax seals, but wax pellets. And I even included the ones that I really wasn't pleased with, because you can melt those back down, right? I also have these bottles from, I think these were from Hobby Lobby. These different wax seals. And they're in there too, along with the ones from Spellbinders. I have some sealed stamps, adhesive circles from Spellbinders, and those from Honeybee. And then I have the little kit. I think I got it off of Temu or AliExpress, and it's supposed to like make the design. You know, you pour the wax in, and then it also has a little cover. Have that. And that's it. So once again, this is $55 ship. If you're interested, please email me once again at fphandmade@gmail.com if you're interested. Thanks for watching. Bye.